All I have to do is just write a simple text prompt and then click on this Generate Now button, and boom, I have my own unique image that I can use on my website or on my blog. This is going to be unique for my website only. No one will be able to find this on any stock photography website. How cool is that? In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can use Elementor AI to generate some unique text and images for our WordPress website. And trust me, you don't want to miss Elementor AI for images. So if that sounds interesting, let's dive in. Alright, so here we have a simple WordPress setup. Now, in order to use the Elementor AI, you get some free credits to use in the free version as well, but that's very limited. I would highly recommend that you can go ahead and invest in buying the Elementor AI credits. It will cost you $2.99 per month and it's going to bill you annually for $35.88 per year, and you're going to get 18,000 credits per year. And that's actually way cheaper than any other stock photography subscription. So let me just go back to Elementor, and here under settings, we need to click on features, and here I'm just going to activate all. And I'm also going to install the developer edition in order to get the latest version of everything. But don't try this on a live site, just make sure you have a staging site to test all these things. So let's say we edit this sample page itself, and let's edit this with Elementor. Alright, now let's say we want to add an image just below this text. So I'm just going to get my flexbox here. And let's add an image widget here. And now if you notice, we have a new icon right on the top here. It says Create with AI. So let's click on this. And now it's going to ask us to connect our website with Elementor account. So we'll connect this from here. And it's going to ask me to log in my Elementor account. So I am already logged in. So I just need to click on connect here. So I'll be using my credits to generate these AI images. And right out of the bat, you can see these are the images that has been generated using the Elementor AI. And the best part is you will also be able to see the exact copy of the prompt. So if you want, you can just use the exact image in your website, or maybe just copy the prompt and maybe modify that a bit. So this is pretty interesting. So let's try to generate an image and see how it goes. So this is our simple prompt. We are trying to generate a product photography of a luxury handbag. And once we write this prompt, we just need to select the image type, what type of image we want to generate. So the options are photographic, background, digital art, handmade, and 3D. So for this prompt, we will be choosing the first one, that is photographic. And for the style, maybe we can choose none. So let's see what happens if we select none. And for the aspect ratio, we are going to select landscape so that I can use this image for the banner. So let's click on generate images. And wow, this is mind-blowing. So if you are building an e-commerce website and you want to use some product shots for the banner, these images are clearly usable. So let's say if I use this image, so let me just click on use image so that I can save this in my media library first before doing any changes. So now the image is available on the page, and we can go back here to edit this with AI again. And we now have few options to edit this image. We have expand image so that we can expand the image a bit to see more areas. So let's say we say expand image, and we will keep the landscape. And what should be the size of original image? We will choose like this so that we can have a clear head here and a clear hand here. So without adding any prompt, let's see what happens. So we will just click on generate here. And as expected, we have 4 more images. And for this one, we can see the hat and the complete hand here, which looks a little bit unnatural, but still usable. So if I click on use image, it's going to save that in my image library. And let me just zoom in a little bit. So this is pretty amazing, and we can clearly use that for any e-commerce website banner. If we click on create with AI again, we have generate fill and resize and variation options as well. But after using this a bit, I think that these options are not pretty much workable as of now. Let's say if we use generate fill. So let's say on this section here, let's say we want to add one more handbag. Let's see if that works. In the prompt, let's say, so just trying with a simple text prompt, add a green luxury handbag. And let's see what happens if we click on generate. And as expected, nothing happened. So as mentioned before, I have tested all the editing options with AI and I'm not pretty happy with that. But when it comes to generate image from scratch, this thing is mind-blowing. And the best part is you can use these images that are visible here and even copy the prompts to generate your own version. So one thing is sure that now I don't need the subscription for any stock photography website to use it on website banners and blog images. Now I can simply use the Elementor AI to generate some unique images for me. In the comment section below, do let me know if you have any questions or what you think about Elementor AI. If you want to check out more about Elementor AI, check out the link given in the video description below. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.